Okay, part two. I remember there was a few other things I wanted to mention about the test. Let me share my screen again with you here. Okay, so there are a couple questions that I'm just going to show you right now to kind of help describe to you how to think about it if a question is worded this way. So here's one of the questions, and it has the word never in it. Okay, so it's saying which of the following aspects of the healthcare assessment is never to be undertaken by the teacher. Never means it's something the teacher is not supposed to do. So that means when you're reading the answers, 3 of them are things the teacher is to do. 1 of them, the teacher is to never do. So you're to pick the one the teacher is not to do. Okay. Same with, let's see, question 7. If it says what is not, right? So again, you're looking for something that doesn't belong, essentially. Kind of like that old Sesame Street, you know, they do the 4 squares and they're like, which one of these does not belong? I don't know if that's the song, but nonetheless, you're looking for one of the answers that is not correct. The other 3 will all be correct. 1 will not be correct. So it's kind of the opposite way of thinking. Most of the time we're asking a question and we want you to find that one answer that's correct. When it says not or never in there, you're finding the incorrect answer, essentially. Also, in the questions where there's blanks, when I'm speaking it got a little weird. I wasn't quite sure what to do. Should I just leave a pause? Should I say something? So I usually said blank if it's to fill in the blank. Or I'd say what, or something like that. But to let you know that you're trying to find the answer that belongs in the space that I've left, or the blank. And then I think there's also 1 true and false question in this exam as well. Okay, so I meant to cover a few of the ways that the test is worded, just so you can kind of know how to think about those when you come to them. Because I don't want it to be something that just the way the question's worded that trips you up if you actually know the information. So hopefully this explanation has helped you a little bit. And again, those are things that if you asked me in class and we were together, I would share with you. I wouldn't feel like I was giving an answer away doing that. And so hopefully those are some of the things that usually came up in person. So I'm trying to kind of give you that information now. So hopefully it will make more sense when you get to the test. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can email, or I'll have office hours this week.